Don't hit me when you hear this and tell me your favorite song. Don't tell me how you knew it would be like this all along. I know the truth is you won't love me until I'm gone. And even then the thing that comes after is moving on.
I'm back. Kyle just texted me what time we're going to the gym. We're going to the gym? Can we go eat? Yeah. We could buy food and then walk and eat. Yes. I can do that. Got no highlight on. That's called sweat. Wow. Gym.
One like that just come over with. Oh, look there.
have my hair messed up because of the wind. I know it's raining. Wanna get me sick? Wanna get me sick? It's his fault, you know? It's just gonna get me sick. All I can feel is the wetness on my back. Yeah. A mess. What's up? So, I don't know what I'm doing. The natural sunlight is gone. But anyways, let's go bother Malik. I'm gonna bring my laptop with me. I wanna do some work. I'm so hungry. Alright. I was about to. Oh. Okay, hold up. Hold up. They don't love you like I love you. They don't love you like I love you. Hmm?
Okay, so Friday, tomorrow, what we can do is we can go to the club and go to Night Beach. How about that?
Okay. How much is the club?
Not a lot, depending on which club we decide to go to. But like most of them is like 1,000.
You're gonna hate me. Oh, it's so cute. So Shauna, our house slave, cooked. She cooked slave food.
Slave.
Should I know some stuff? Honestly, I'm going to go to all the stuff. Because I can't forget like an aisle for me because I'm going up in the
Hey, mommy. Sashana, is that my
Fellas.
I know you that do it to get heard.
So Shauna is partly single,
And I did ask.
and she's a good she's a good cook.
I was like,
Sashana, is mine?
what am I saying?
Leave your resumes down below.
What am I supposed to do? I saw a message
I'll also leave her information down below.
Husband, I know why you text and I said.
Sashana.
I also cook ting mackerel.
I don't understand why you said me.
Don't make her
and
cook so much
today
tin
was-
Malik
mackerel.
has turmeric
She gets
and
obsessed
lime.
with it.
That's true.
What?
After is moving on. I can't even capture the feeling I had at first. Meeting all my heroes like seeing how magic works. The people I looked up to are going from bad to worse. Their actions out of character even when they rehearse. Working in the land of the free.